Alright, I'm back with another 180 wave video. This video is basically showing you how to get waves on the side. How to get waves on the side of your hair. I feel like this is a really important thing, especially if you're trying to be elite. Whether you're a straight hair waver, a medium, or a coarse hair waver. The sides are kind of most important to connect your 180 waves, like from the top to the side, depending on your fade. But I'm gonna give you tips, kind of like what I do, like what helps me out, and you know, just kind of help you out with this. So let's get into it. So as you can see from my pattern, this is like the connection. You can see the waves on the side, but I'm really trying to make sure they connect like perfectly, like I would have rings. So to start off, you really want to make sure you have good brushes. I recommend, you know, the Torino Pro. You know, I have an Annie and all that, but you want to make sure when you're first starting out, like, you don't have to get the most expensive brush. You just want to make sure it is a longer brush. Like, you want to make sure you get this one instead of like something that's shorter. You can break your connections. You're gonna have more forks that way. So I had to learn that the hard way. If you look at my older videos, like, you'll see like, okay, like, yo, it's forks everywhere. And how I stopped that was just using a wave brush. Like, this is like a 360 wave brush, or, well, you know, wave brush in general. They're generally longer, and yeah, so just kind of stay away from like crown brushes when you're just starting out. They're really not going to help you because you may not know how to use it the correct way. So just keep that in mind. Really listen to me on this. I'm really telling you, because I already been down this path. We're not trying to go back down that path, so just listen. But yeah, I do that. Another thing too, one of the things that helped me make really crazy progress on the side is vertical brushing. So basically what I do, let's see if I can show you. I just kind of, I get it and I go like that. And you know, I'll do that in the mirror, try to make sure I get it as perfect as possible. I make sure I brush slowly too. Like, I go like super slow, make sure I get the connections that I want. This is like probably like this is like my strongest side and everything, and you know how it connects on top. For you to get connections, like better connections or flawless connections, it's just brush work. Like, you have to brush and understand your pattern, brushing the same way, and then continue to do it every day, 45 minutes to an hour. That's gonna give you the progress. There's really no way around to get the brush work. Trust me, I try to get around it, and it always come back. If you are competing in your waves, people are gonna notice your forks. You're gonna have waves, but you're just not gonna have that flawless connection. So just keep that in mind. People are looking, people know. Focus on the brushes. Make sure it's like a longer brush. It's gonna help you out tremendously. It's gonna save you a lot of time, save you a lot of money, save you a lot of frustration. Yeah, you're gonna be on your way. You're gonna be on your way for 180 waves, or even 360 if you're at 360. But just listen to me on that, man. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this now. Just listen, and your waves on the side are going to show. Promise you. But make sure you like the video, subscribe for more videos. I'll be back, and I'll see you in my next video.